India witnessed a historic moment in 2023. The country overhauled its criminal justice system. This was a long-awaited reform. The old laws were outdated. They were from the British colonial era. The new laws aim to create a modern legal framework. They are known as the BNS, BNSS, and BSA. These reforms are significant for all Indians. They impact crime, punishment, and citizen rights. The BNS, BNSS, and BSA reflect India's growth. They address contemporary challenges like cybercrime and terrorism. This essay will explain these new laws. It will highlight their importance for a just and modern India. The changes are comprehensive. They touch upon many aspects of the legal system. These reforms are not just about punishing criminals, they also focus on protecting victims and witnesses. They aim to create a system that is fair and efficient. This transformation is about more than just laws. It is about building a safer and more just society. It is about ensuring that justice is served in a way that is relevant to the 21st century. The new laws are designed to be citizen-centric. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, or BNS, replaces the Indian Penal Code, also known as IPC. The IPC was enacted in 1860. It was outdated and no longer served the needs of modern India. The BNS is a comprehensive criminal code. It covers a wide range of offences. The BNS is the result of years of deliberation and debate. It aims to simplify legal language. It seeks to make the law more accessible to the common man. The BNS incorporates global best practices. It reflects India's commitment to international legal standards. The BNS emphasizes justice, not just punishment. It introduces new concepts like community service. It promotes restorative justice. The BNS is a major step towards decolonizing India's legal system. It reflects independent India's values and aspirations. The journey from the IPC to the BNS is a testament to India's growth. It shows a commitment to progress and reform. It reflects a nation ready to embrace a new era of justice. The BNS lays the foundation for a more equitable and just society. The BNS brings significant changes to crime categorization. It introduces new offenses like mob lynching and acid attacks. This reflects the changing nature of crime in India. It addresses emerging threats to social harmony. The BNS revamps the sentencing framework. It introduces stricter punishments for heinous crimes. It aims to deter serious offenses. The BNS also promotes alternative punishments. It includes community service and fines for certain offenses. The BNS streamlines criminal procedures. It introduces fast-track courts for specific offenses. This aims to reduce the backlog of cases. It ensures swifter justice. The BNS also promotes plea bargaining in certain cases. This can expedite the judicial process. The BNS is not merely a set of rules, it's a statement of India's commitment to a just and equitable society. By addressing contemporary challenges and modernizing the legal framework, the BNS paves the way for a safer and more secure India. These changes reflect a deep understanding of the evolving nature of crime and the need for a responsive legal system. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, or BNSS, is another landmark legislation. It replaces the outdated Code of Criminal Procedure, or CrPC, of 1973. The BNSS focuses on protecting citizen rights. It aims to make criminal procedures more efficient and transparent. The BNSS recognizes the importance of technology in law enforcement. It allows for video recording of investigations. It promotes the use of forensic evidence. This ensures greater accountability and transparency. It reduces the chances of manipulation. The BNSS emphasizes the use of scientific investigation methods. It promotes the use of DNA testing and other forensic tools. This helps in securing accurate convictions. It also reduces the chances of wrongful prosecution. The BNSS marks a paradigm shift in India's criminal justice system. It moves away from a purely punitive approach. It adopts a more holistic perspective. The BNSS recognizes the rights of both the accused and the victim. It strives to balance individual rights with the need for public safety. Section 5. Empowering victims and protecting rights under the BNSS. The BNSS strengthens victim rights in criminal cases. It recognizes their right to information and participation. It provides for victim compensation and support services. This ensures that victims are not forgotten during the legal process. The BNSS introduces stricter provisions for offenses against women and children. This reflects India's commitment to protecting vulnerable sections of society. It aims to create a safer environment for them. The BNSS incorporates provisions for data protection and privacy. It recognizes the importance of individual privacy in the digital age. This is crucial in an era of increasing surveillance. It ensures that law enforcement agencies operate within a legal framework. The BNSS is not just about catching and punishing criminals. It is about creating a system that is fair and just for everyone. It recognizes the trauma and suffering of victims. It aims to provide them with support and a voice in the criminal justice system. The BNSS seeks to balance the scales of justice by empowering those most affected by crime. Section 6. Modernizing Evidence and Trials, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, or BSA, replaces the Indian Evidence Act of 1872. It governs the admissibility of evidence in legal proceedings. The BSA is crucial for ensuring fair trials. It seeks to make the process more robust and reliable. The BSA recognizes the importance of digital evidence in the modern age. It provides guidelines for the admissibility of electronic records. This is crucial in an era of increasing cybercrime. It ensures that digital evidence is handled fairly and transparently. The BSA streamlines the process of recording witness statements. It allows for video conferencing for witness testimonies. This reduces inconvenience to witnesses and speeds up the trial process. The BSA represents a significant step forward in modernizing India's judicial system. It acknowledges the changing landscape of evidence in the digital age. By incorporating provisions for electronic records and streamlining witness testimonies, the BSA aims to make trials more efficient and reliable. This ensures a more robust and just legal process. Section 7. Embracing Technology, Protecting Witnesses. Key features of the BSA. The BSA introduces provisions for the protection of witnesses. It allows for witness anonymity in certain cases. It provides for witness protection programs. This is crucial for encouraging witnesses to come forward. It ensures their safety and prevents witness intimidation. The BSA recognizes the importance of expert testimony in complex cases. It provides clear guidelines for the admissibility of expert opinions. This ensures that scientific and technical evidence is properly evaluated by the courts. The BSA embraces technology to expedite legal proceedings. It allows for the electronic filing of documents and evidence. It promotes the use of video conferencing for court hearings. This reduces delays and makes the judicial process more efficient. The BSA is not merely about updating archaic laws. It is about building a legal system that is equipped to deal with the complexities of the 21st century. By incorporating digital evidence, protecting witnesses, and embracing technology, the BSA lays the foundation for a more efficient and just judicial process in India. Section 8. Towards a more just and modern India. The BNS, BNSS, and BSA represent a watershed moment in India's legal history. They are not just about replacing outdated laws. They are about building a legal system that is in sync with the values and aspirations of modern India. These reforms are a testament to India's commitment to justice, fairness, and the rule of law. They reflect a deep understanding of the evolving nature of crime and the need for a responsive and robust legal framework. These new laws are not a magic bullet. Their success depends on effective implementation. They require a collective effort from the judiciary, law enforcement agencies, and citizens. These reforms are a journey, not a destination. They mark a significant step towards a more just and equitable society. These are a testament to India's commitment to creating a legal system that is fair, efficient, and accessible to all. Section 9. A legacy of fairness and efficiency. The BNS, BNSS, and BSA are more than just legal documents. They are a promise to the Indian people. They promise a justice system that is fair, efficient, and accessible to all. These reforms are designed to make the legal system more citizen-centric. They aim to empower victims and protect witnesses. They seek to ensure that justice is delivered swiftly and effectively. The true measure of these reforms will be their impact on the lives of ordinary citizens. Their success will depend on how effectively they deter crime, protect rights, and deliver justice. The BNS, BNSS, and BSA are a legacy for future generations. They are a step towards building a stronger, more just, and more equitable India. These reforms signal a commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring justice for all.